Vajrasana is very simple yoga pose. This pose helps relieve tension and stress, which is very common cause of graying and hair loss. Vajrasana is very good for digestion as well, and you can do immediately after your meal. This is meditative posture as well. So we can see how to perform Vajrasana. In Dandasana, fold both the legs and sit in between the heels. Don't sit on heels. Spine should be straight and hold this posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute and take a long breath during this time and relax both the legs. Ustrasana is one of the most wonderful asana to promote your hair growth. Because of this asana, the blood flows get direct toward your scalp, and at the same time it works on your thyroid gland and all your abnormalities get balanced. So now we'll see how to perform Ustrasana. Stand on your both the knees and hands parallel to the shoulder. Inhale, take your right arm up and grab your right heel. And inhale again, take left arm up and grab left heel and open your chest and push your hips forward and drop your head back. Relax your hands one by one and sit in Vajrasana. Shashangasana. Practicing Shashangasana for 1 to 2 minutes every day can give you healthy and strong hair. It stabilizes hormones and regulates blood flow to the scalp, fixes any imbalance in the thyroid gland which may cause hair loss. So let's perform Shashangasana. Shashangasana or rabbit pose. Shashangasana is counter posture of Ustrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Inhale, lift your both the arms up and stretch the spine upward. While exhaling, bend forward from your lower back and hold this posture for few seconds. Try to touch your elbow on ground and forehead also on the ground. Exhale and slowly relax the posture. This is the pose of sun salutation. This is the most beautiful yoga pose for back and head. Can reduce stress and depression. When your head is down for a couple of seconds, the blood flows towards the head and rejuvenating the scalp and hair follicles. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp. Now we will see how to perform Parvatasana or mountain pose. Parvatasana or mountain pose. Stand on knees and both the palms and slowly make a posture and keep breathing and hold for few seconds and slowly relax the posture. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Sarvangasana is extremely good for thyroid gland which affects hair fall. It also helpful for dry and dull hairs and also decrease the stress and anxiety. So let's see how to perform Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Lie down your back. Raise both the legs up to the 90 degree. This is Ardha Halasana pose. Inhale and lift your hip and support with your both the hands. Let your body rest on your shoulder, keeping your spine straight, and also you can keep your toes straight. Hold this posture for few seconds. Keep breathing and slowly relax. Chakrasana is very effective asana. The chest expands and lungs get more oxygen and it reduces the stress and tension in your body. It improves the blood circulation which result providing suitable nutrients to the hair follicles. let's see how to perform Chakrasana wheel pose. Chakrasana wheel pose is slightly advanced yoga pose, and this is my favorite asana. We have to balance on your hand and feet. Lie down your back and bend your both the knees. Place your palm close to your shoulder and lift your hips up and upper body. Stay for few seconds. Keep breathing and slowly relax the posture. Hasta Padasana, standing forward bend. This is standing forward bend pose is extremely easy to do and effective too. In this asana, your head receives blood circulation, and this posture provides oxygen to your hair cells and rejuvenates them and enables the hair follicles to grow long and strong hairs. So let's see how to perform standing forward bend. Hasta Padasana. Stand straight. Raise your both the hands. Exhale and bend forward slowly. Keep breathing. Exhale. Lift your arms up and release the posture.